Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you how this LXU screen extender turns your regular laptop into a workstation. The LXU screen extender is ready to go straight out of the box. Just flip it open and twist one screen and you are ready to connect. It does come with all the needed cables and a stand attached to the back so it supports itself. It is super easy to take with you, and it comes with its own little carry bag with a nice velvety interior so as to not damage the screens. I do love the ease and convenience of being able to take these additional screens with me, as I do travel between a physical office at my company and also work from home remotely, and being able to quickly pack this up is great. My work office did have one screen, but with the beautiful LXU screen extender, I now have so much more visibility on all the documents I need to observe, and also if I need to share anything with coworkers, I just go ahead and flip my screen and it's easily accessible to them as well. It is a great investment and I really love it, and has definitely increased my productivity both in the office and from my home office. I highly recommend this product. I really love it. And that's my point of view.